Howdy, welcome back to Derek's Jeep Garage. Today we're going to be installing a set of rock sliders onto our old crew cab Comanche build. We're going to use a set of these arm reinforcement plates I bought off eBay. I can't remember who made them, but wish I could give you guys a plug. So we're going to incorporate these arms to attaching to a 2x6 by 1/4 inch rock slider, which is really just a piece of square tube that we're going to fabricate. Pretty simple, easy, and robust design, which is actually going to give the unibody frame and frame stiffeners a lot of additional strength, which we do need for the crew cab Comanche build. The next step will be to take a cutoff wheel and an angle grinder and make a cut that follows right along this line, all the way the full length of the vehicle. The next step will be to take our cutoff wheel and make a cut the full length of the vehicle, just about an 1/8 inch off that seam you see right there, right where my Sharpie line is. We'll take the angle grinder and cut this all off the full length of the vehicle. As you can see, we've removed the entire stock rocker panel and prepped it to put in the new 2x6 by 1/4 inch rock slider. Now that we're done about 95% of the rock slider project, I'll go ahead and fill you in on a few of the details. I used a weld-through primer on the back of just about everything. So that includes the arms, the rock slider, and the frame stiffeners to ensure that no water might get trapped back there and create any rust and kind of ruin all the good work we did. Then after that, I'll identify all the seams and fill it with a caulking glue like this Gorilla Glue. Next, I'll find all my plug weld holes located on my frame stiffeners and just use a little Bondo and fill it all in, sand it out, and then use a sandable primer to sand everything down. The final step will actually be using a rubberized coating. Now, you don't want to apply that first without applying your primer, because that can actually trap moisture in. So always make sure to lay down a primer first before you use any kind of rubberized undercoating. So here's a nice shot of the finished work. So hard to tell, but that's actually a 2x6 inch by 1/4 inch thick piece of square tube. And we just welded it right to that really thin automotive sheet metal, ground it down, and it's almost seamless, almost looks stock with a little bit of sanding. And once we paint this thing a nice khaki color, it's gonna look really sharp. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.